Hello, welcome back to your new lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can generate a sinusoidal signal into your MATLAB. So as you know, the sinusoidal signal is defined by sine 2 pi t, where 2 pi is it's a constant and t defined by a time. So let's create a frequency here. F is equal to, let's say, the 10 frequency I want, then the t, which is the ts, of course, okay. So the t would be 1 by f, right? Now we want here 2 pi ft, right? So the f is here 10, right? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create first a t, and first I'm going to define here the dt. The dt is 1 by 100. Of course the dt would be equal to 1 by 100, and then I am going to create here a time function, time series, which will be t is equal to from 0 to and then it will increase into step size of the dt up to 1 minus dt, right? Then you will get here the t, which is 1 cross 100, and then after I'm gonna create a y is equal to sine, then I can make it 2 multiplied by pi into f and then multiplied by t. And now you can see here, if I plot this y with variable along with variable t, then you will see here there are 10 cycles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and the 10. So this f represents that there would be 10, I mean the frequency is the 10, that means there will be the 10 cycles in 1 second, right? And you can also generate the cos function with this, and if you generate a cos with this, and let's hold on this graph and plot this y along with the t and type here shg, which will bring this graph at the foreground. So here you can see this orange color is cos function, and this blue color is sinusoidal signal. So thank you so much for watching this video. I have shown you how you can generate a sinusoidal function, sinusoidal graph and cos data, right? So these data you can use and in your analysis, or if you want to do something in your MATLAB. So this is data stored into y. Either you can plot that using plot graph, or you can plot this using the interactive plotting tool. From here you can plot this area, you can plot it with the bar, you can see some interactive pi, right? So if you see here, its amplitude is varying, okay, in the pi itself. Or you can plot a histogram. You will see here the values, frequency. You can plot it in the semi-log, you can plot it on the log. So there are so many things you can plot it, right? You can plot it using these the comet, then you can plot it using stem functions, you can plot it using stairs, you can plot it using this. So there are so many ways to plot this the data. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel so that you can get updates directly into your inbox. Bye bye, have a nice day.